and welcome to another edition of batting session of United Eleven Dwarka. Today we are playing at Arihant Cricket Academy, Chhavla. This is a very nice ground. It's a beautiful ground and beautiful weather. Today's opener, Deep Malhotra and Sachin Arora. Not less than Sachin Tendulkar. Just a look like. All the best. First ball of the innings and straight 6. No, it's one bounce 4. Great shot by Sachin Arora. New opening pair today for United Eleven Dwarka. Well played. Second ball and straight 2-point fielder. No run. Third ball of the over to Sachin Arora towards fine leg. No call from Deep Malhotra. No run. Fourth ball of the over and straight to fielder. No run. White ball. Last ball of the over and great shot again for a 4. No, there is a change in the field. Long on fielder has fielded it and only a single run. Sorry, last ball of the over now, and Deep Malhotra has punched it towards long on for a single. Oh, that's very quick for Sachin Arora. That's a double. Quick double. Great shot, great running between the wicket. Next bowler, Jay Kaushik. First ball to Sachin Arora and he has punched it. There is a misfield at covers area and it should be a single. The opponent, Master All-Rounders, playing their first match after lockdown. Great ball, direct into the slot. Good Yorker for Deep Malhotra. Lucky he didn't get bowled out. Third ball of the over and has gone running very fast. Only 2 runs. Fourth ball of the over from Jay Kaushik and good shot again. It should be a quick double. Yes, Sachin Arora is very quick between the wickets. 2 runs completed safely. Fifth ball of the over to Deep Malhotra, again a white. Last ball of the over to Deep Malhotra and bowled. Great ball by Jay Kaushik. First wicket down for United Dwarka at 14 runs after 2 overs. Great ball and great shot but straight to fielder at long on, single. Next ball, very defensive by Amulya Sharma, the new batsman, after the getting bowled out for only 6 runs of 6 balls. Next ball and straight to square leg fielder for a single. Good ball, good. No, there was a mix-up between the batsmen. Lucky no one was in danger. Next ball from Karun Voda, a dot ball. Last ball of the over and white plus a single. 2 extra runs for United Dwarka. Score has reached 18 runs after 2.5 overs for the loss of 1 wicket. Over continuing for Karun Voda. Last ball of the over and defense by Amulya. Second over continuing for Jay Kaushik and great shot by Sachin Arora. 1 bounce 4. Second boundary for Sachin Arora and United Eleven Dwarka 2. Second ball of the over. Great shot, but straight to fielder. Misfield. Catch dropped. Lucky Sachin. It has gone for a single only. Great shot, but poor fielding. Third ball to Sachin Arora, and again straight to fielder. This time no mistake by gully fielder, and Sachin Arora is out after playing a wonderful knock of 15 runs of 11 balls. United 11 Dwarka at 26 runs for the loss of 2 wickets after 3.3 overs. Nice call there by bowler and fielder for LBW, but no harm to Amulya. It's given out. That's very bad. Leg before given out to Amulya Sharma. United 11 Dwarka at 26 runs after 3.5 overs for the loss of 3 wickets. Very quick 2 wickets for United 11 Dwarka, and not a very nice defense. Ball was in the air. Lucky no fielder was there. Next bowler Abhishek Singh, and edged Raja Rohilla getting out on the very first ball. Very bad situation for United Dwarka. 4.1 overs, 26 runs and 4 wickets down. Second ball from Abhishek. Nice defensive shot straight to gully fielder. No run. Third ball of the over, and good ball. Very last minute stop. Very quick bowler. Again direct to fielder. Fourth ball of the over. Shot by Deepak Syal, next batsman for United 11 Dwarka. Straight to boundary at mid-wicket. Great shot. Last ball of the over. Deepak Syal, dot ball.
उसको वहाँ भेजो तो सारा रूटीन सही चलेगा.
Good shot by Vinay Sharma. Should be a couple. No. Good fielding there at fine leg.
ये जो है ना आपने बात सही बोली, जिसकी जगह है उसे वहाँ भेजना चाहिए.
Nice shot this time by Deepak Syal. Misfield there for a couple of runs. An easy double for Vinay Sharma. For Deepak Syal.
बहुत बिजी तब जाते हैं जब रावत जी आते हैं ना, कि भागने वाला होता है.
Ball. Next ball for Deepak Syal, again dot ball. Fifth ball of the over to Deepak Syal, and should be called wide down the leg side. Fifth ball of the over to Deepak Syal, and great shot, great fielding as well.
अपनी टीम में ऐसी फील्डिंग कब आएगी?
At square leg,
कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ गया उसका.
no run. Last ball of the over from Tushar Gogia, and
आते तभी तो डरे थे.
no run.
छक्के की बॉल पे आउट हो गया बाहर.
Abhishek Singh, the next bowler, starts with a wide.
कर रहा होता ना तो मेरे को इतना प्रेशर नहीं होता, हर बॉल पे नहीं मारता मैं. दोनों एंड से स्कोर चाहिए होता है.
Abhishek Singh to Vinay Sharma.
मतलब ये होता है पहले 6 ओवर में
First ball of the over. Lucky, there was inside edge. It didn't hit the stumps.
6 ओवर में 50.
Second ball of the over to Vinay Sharma. Dot ball.
कौन सा ओवर है तो वो करता है, वो उसका वही है.
Abhishek to Vinay Sharma. It should be called wide.
वो कंधा अगर हल्का सा
Outside
मार
off.
दिया उसने और दे दी तो भाई मैं बॉलर देखते ही पिच देख के बॉलर देख स्वीप खेलता नहीं.
Defensive shot by Vinay Sharma. No run.
उसमें स्वीप में ज्यादा डर लगता है।
वो लगे ही लगे
6.2 overs, 36 runs after for the loss of 4 wickets. Fourth ball of the over
अरे भाई
to
मारो।
Vinay Sharma, and it's a wide
एक बुलिया जैसे बॉलर के
straight to
सामने
keeper down the leg side. Only wides are scoring for United 11 Dwarka, and it is straight to the bowler and out. After a couple of shuffling,
को बोलो कि ये मैच छोड़ दे।
it's out. Fifth wicket down for 37 runs after 6.4 overs. Sanjeev Pant, the next batsman for United Dwarka, plays defensive shot.
हमारी टीमों के कैप्टन मैनेजर भी डबल लोड है।
Last ball of the over to Sanjeev Pant, and a great shot, should be a boundary. It's boundary is too long. Only couple of runs for Sanjeev Pant.
थ्रो में ही एक और रन हो जाएगा।
7 overs, 39 runs for the loss of 5 wickets. United and Dwarka at very bad position.
शॉट है यार।
Great shot by Deepak Sayal.
बाउंड्री है।
Boundary on the very first ball of second over from Tushar Gogia.
बहुत मजा आ रहा था। मजा यार, मुझे भी बहुत मजा आ रहा था यार कनेक्ट में। छक्का मार नहीं सकते
नहीं वो थी पाँव पे बोली यार। अभी आता ही
Next ball and
जो पाँव पे फ्लिक आता है ना तेज बैट
in the deep mid wicket area for a single.
पहले आया उसका बॉल बाद में आया तो इस वजह से वो उसके बैट बंद होते ही उसके अपर एज पे
है।
Third ball of the over to Sanjeev Pant, and straight to mid wicket fielder
बॉल आपको
for a single.
ड्राइव नहीं एक भी बॉल कवर ड्राइव के लिए नहीं मिली। मैंने यूनी जिस पे अच्छा शॉट
Great shot by Deepak Sayal. One more great shot and should be a double.
बॉलर था पहली
Of course, there will be no boundary on this
जरा सा
shot.
क्लीन पहली बॉल बच गया
Quick double is
ऐसे ही
always
थोड़ा
welcome.
सा ऑफ स्टंप पे वेटिंग फॉर दैट मेरी स्ट्रेंथ वो है मैं कट
हाथ खुलेगा।
Last, second last ball of the over.
पे कवर्स पे स्ट्रेट में ये खेलने का
Deep extra cover for a single.
तोड़ा है ये तो तब होता है जब पाँव पे पाँव पे बॉल
Deepak Sayal playing at 14 runs of 14 balls. Sanjeev Pant at 3 runs of 3 balls. And again a great shot, direct straight to long off fielder for a single.
अब जो एक स्लोवर मार गया था वो
49 runs after 8 overs for the loss of 5 wickets. Third over from Abhishek Singh to Sanjeev Pant, straight direct into the slot. Lucky didn't hit the stumps. Second ball of the over from Abhishek Singh, and it was in the air for some time, but not within the reach of fielder at extra cover.
बात आपकी सही है यार बात आपकी बिल्कुल सही है लेकिन ये कहना तो
Third ball to Deepak Sayal, direct to fielder at point.
इंटरनल सेटिस्फेक्शन
No run.
नेट है नेट
50 runs completing for United and Dwarka. It's a straight shot at long on for a single.
काफी टाइम हो गया। अब उठा दे।
Good shot by Deepak Sayal.
यही खड़ी कर दी भाई ने बिल्कुल ऊपर है थोड़ा सा टपा लेता है
Fifth ball of the over to Sanjeev Pant, and good shot direct to deep square leg area for a
बैटिंग है शहबाज
nice boundary. Well played Sanjeev Pant. Great boundary. United and Dwarka reaching 55 runs for the loss of 5 wickets after 8.5 overs. Last ball of the over to Sanjeev Pant, and unlucky. Lucky Sanjeev Pant straight to the fielder, but he dropped it. He was under the ball for very long time, but ultimately dropped it. United and Dwarka 55 runs after 9 overs for the loss of 5 wickets.
शॉट है यार।
Great shot
Shot है
this
भाई, shot है।
time. A quick boundary directly
देख के बिल्कुल प्यार से।
between Long on and long off fielder.
भाई सूट कौन सा
Nice shot Deepak Syal. Nice boundary on the very first ball of Karun Voda.
यहाँ साला आज इतना
Second ball to Deepak Syal and straight again. This is 6. Lovely shot by Deepak Syal. Consecutive boundaries. First a 4 and then a 6. Well played Deepak Syal. Well played. 65 runs after 9.2 overs. One nice defense by Deepak Syal on the third ball of
स्टार्टिंग में
Karun Voda. Fourth ball of the over to Deepak Syal. Nice cut to point fielder. Curry fielder. No run.
तो अच्छे निकाल रहे हैं ना दोनों
Fifth ball of the over. Direct to short mid wicket fielder. No run. Last ball of the over from Karun Voda to Deepak Syal should be a single.
निकल नहीं रहा ये शॉट इसका
No. 10 overs up.
भाई दो दो
United
extra
and
लगे भाई।
Dwarka at 65 runs for the loss of 5 wickets. Deepak Syal playing at 25 runs after facing 22 delivery
ये क्या कर दिया तुमने
with the help of 3 boundaries and 1 6. Sanjeev Pant playing at 9 runs after facing 8 deliveries with the help of 1 boundary.
हर एरिया के हिसाब से इसका
11th over starting with Deepak
दिल्ली में अलग
Tiwari.
है गुजरात में अलग है
Sanjeev Pant on strike.
एज कम्पेयर में भी ज़्यादा है मुंबई में कम है
The bowlers are really very quick.
मुंबई में दिल्ली से तो ज्यादा है।
They don't let the batsmen settle down.
दिखा रहे इतना जितना है actually।
अभी तो क्या है, पूरे ऑल ओवर इंडिया यही है कि दिखा नहीं।
Good shot, but straight to fielder at short mid wicket and out.
बैटिंग की कहाँ है रिकॉर्ड दिखाओ
10.3 overs, 65 runs for the loss of 6 wickets. Very bad situation for United and Dwarka. Anil Kumar Nain on strike and good shot straight to long off fielder for a quick single. Deepak Syal on strike. Deepak Tiwari with the ball. Fifth ball of the over.
दीपक के ही होंगे अकेले ना ना
Deepak playing at 25 runs after facing 22 deliveries. Fifth ball of the over from Deepak Tiwari. Nice defensive shot by Deepak Syal. Last ball of the over from Deepak Tiwari to Deepak Syal. Direct into the pads, but lucky. Not given out. Ball was going down the leg side.
हाँ
Only 1 run coming out of that over from Deepak Tiwari with a wicket. Great stats. Manjeet, the new bowler. The first spin attack from master all-rounders. Great shot, not so great shot, sorry. Straight to short third man fielder, no run. Second ball from Manjeet and directly into the pads, the leg side.
हाँ क्या
Good ball.
अच्छा वो ये रेड
In the air, but lucky, just short of the fielder. Nice attempt by short mid wicket fielder, but couldn't reach the ball. Single run for Anil Kumar Nain after facing 5 deliveries. Good shot by Deepak Syal, straight to point fielder, no run. Last ball of the over. Only 1 run coming out of that over so far. And misfield by keeper. Should be a quick double. No. Anil didn't leave his crease, so a single.
उसने पहला रन भी किस्तों में लिया था सोयाल ने, है ना?
68 runs for United Dwarka after 12 overs for the loss of 6 wickets. Deepak Tiwari to Deepak Sehal. Good ball. Straight to fielder. At covers. Misfield. Still no run. Third ball of the over and in the air. Misfield. Lost the chance of run out also. Fourth ball of the over. Deepak Tiwari to Anil Nain. Nice ball. Only single run so far out of 4 deliveries from Deepak Tiwari. Nice ball. Bowled. Very unlucky. Anil Nain. Just 2 runs after facing 8 deliveries.
चल भाई जाते या तो पॉज करना है. एक्शन पे ओवर चेंज हो गया.
एक और मैच खेलेगा मूड कर रहा है ना
तो खेल लियो.
Change in the over. Amulya Sharma coming up with too many bottles in hand. Drinking water coming in. Please give me drinking water. Oh my God! Great catch by Vinay Sharma. Ah, quicker delivery. Batsman getting all beaten up. I go. No appeal by the fielders. 69 for 7. 13.2 overs. We don't think we'll be able to make up to 20 overs.
करके खत्म करो. 10 ओवर में खेल लेते हैं. तो भाई 10 ओवर में बन गया हमारे.
Oh, come on. Batsman getting all beaten up by the delivery and clean bowled.
नल्ले अगर तू तो जल्दी आ गया.
हाँ तो Deepak Sehal
तो क्या करेगा?
taking a long walk back to the pavilion. Started. Oh ho ho ho. Last wicket, Deepak Sehal
एक और मैच खेल लेते हैं इधर.
coming back on 26 runs.
पैड किसी पास है? देना.
Great shot, ball running out of the boundary and
जाएगा ही नहीं भाई, इतनी पता नहीं.
oh, stopped by the fielder.
120-30 रन होते हैं ना, इनके लिए बहुत मुश्किल है. 120 नहीं चेज होंगे. नहीं होंगे, जाएंगे. ये वाला एंड तो पूरा मरा हुआ है, यहीं से बॉल शुरुआत करेंगे हम. ये एंड पूरा मरा हुआ है.
Yeah.
नहीं होंगे. एंड से ही तो
Mr. Agrawal on the strike. Well played, but fielded by the fielder in the middle. नहीं, कौन सा पॉइंट होता है ये? Abhinav Chaudhary on the strike. Oh, well played. Ball running in the gap and then
डबल था ये.
batsman wants to come back for 2, but refused by Saurabh Agarwal.
इनमें से डबल बोला कौन?
Saurabh on the strike. Ah! Trying to just hit it. Quickie single. Taking the benefit of missed field by the keeper. Record over here. Oh. Quickie single. Great running between the wickets.
गया था ये.
Great running between the wickets by the batsmen. By both the batsmen, rather.
ये ऐसे भाग रहे हैं जैसे लास्ट ओवर है.
They've got a very good alignment between themselves.
चीटी है यहाँ पे.
Oh! What the hell? Straight to the fielder and got caught. Saurabh Agarwal taking a long walk back to the pavilion. Captain going up next.
फील्डिंग टीम के साथ ना मैच रखेंगे.
आज है ना मेरा मन भी नहीं था.
Last
भी
wicket.
नहीं बोलता होगा कि इनके साथ मैच रखेंगे. अगर दूसरा मैच हुआ ना फिर ठीक है.
यार एकदम विकेट गिर गया ना, मैं क्या करूँ, मैंने कभी मार के खेलता हूँ. 4 विकेट मेरे सामने, वो देख रहा था मैच.
तो उसको कल के लिए भी तो बचा के रखना है.
कल तुम्हारे से मैच है हमारा टूर्नामेंट का. ओहो, फिर तो चेक करना था कैसे खेल रहे हो. मैंने पहले भी 60 मारे थे आपको. अच्छा, ये पहली बार खेला था आपके साथ. मतलब मेरे को बॉलिंग नहीं थी क्या अब इसको, पता नहीं मुझे कौन. इसीलिए इतना पता है मैंने 60 मारे थे. आप लोगों के साथ फोटो भी खींची थी मेरे. अच्छा,
भाई फोटो तो हम हर किसी के साथ खिंचवा लेते हैं.
फोटो तो हम आज ही खिंचवाएंगे.
हाँ, फोटो हम आज ही
ये क्या थी बॉल.
चौका मार.
2 टप्पों में बॉल आ रही है. वो देखो वो कहाँ से भाग कर रहा है.
रन किसके खेलते रहे. ग्राउंड में मत बोला कर, वो अंदर गया हुआ ना, बाहर जो मर्जी बोल ले.
न को 2 लगा, 2 को 9 लगा, कोई नहीं मना करेगा, लेकिन ग्राउंड के बाहर.
दूसरे प्लेयर के आगे क्यों अपना प्लेयर.
कैप्टन ऑन द स्ट्राइकर्स एंड.
इतनी तो बेइज्जती ना.
इसके बाद है कोई. कितने हो गए. 9 8. हाँ, ये लास्ट विकेट. लास्ट विकेट.
Oh my god!
भाई उछल गई, यही बॉल उछल गई.
पिछली बॉल
I don't know if the ball bounced itself or it was a deliberate attempt by the bowler. Great shot by the captain. Running quickly for the first run, coming back for 2, and he will make it.
इस ग्राउंड में 4 बहुत ही मुश्किल है.
भाई शॉट मारोगे तो लगेंगे ना.
खिलाई हमारी होगी.
शॉट मारोगे तो लगेंगे ना. हवा में खेलोगे तो कहाँ से चौके लगेंगे.
स्पिनर ही चलेंगे यहाँ.
Oi!
ये बीसी का एक ही शॉट है बस ये.
Trying to sweep the ball but completely beaten up by the delivery.
स्काईलार्क के सामने वाले ग्राउंड में खेले थे.
हाँ.
छोटा सा इसका गिरा दी थी हमने उनकी.
Shot.
शॉट है दादा.
Great shot by the captain. Ball running for
भागना है.
4 but fielded by the batsman in the deep and successfully completed 2 runs. Fielded by the fielder in the deep. Very good.
दादा जाके ना जब सब्सक्राइब दादा जब लोड कर रहे होंगे ना, सब्सक्रिप्शन कैसे कम हो गया मेरा.
Oh, great shot. Ball running to the fence and it's 4 runs.
बढ़िया.
बहुत बढ़िया बीजी.
Fielder tried very hard, running very hard to save the boundary but couldn't make it.
नहीं कह रहा हूँ, अभी ये जो दोनों खेल रहे हैं यहाँ से स्टार्ट करनी थी. मतलब खराब हो जाती है ना, ऊपर से नीचे, नीचे से ऊपर. मतलब
अच्छा.
बॉलर की मर्जी होती है.
ओपनर
Captain trying to capitalize on the situation wherein all the wickets have fallen down and he's the only one saving the. Oh my god!
नहीं होगी, नहीं होगी.
I don't think anybody would be able to make it and it's out.
4 कैचे छोड़ चुके हैं, कितनी छोड़ेंगे.
So the innings of United 11 coming to an end. Very depressing and
अभिनव कह रहे हैं हमें 2-4 बॉलें और खेलने देते. अभिनव कह रहा है मेरी बैटिंग रह गई.